Fresh siya. Ayun o. Automatic ang door. Ayun o. Kasama ko yung pusang pampasword. Ayun o. May halaman pampasword. Paano po yung naliliwanag sa mga pampasword. Lang dito. Mura. Mabibili. Ayun o. Kaya nag-open ng door. Ayun o. Close ko. Ayun siya. Nakaliligid muna ang third pocket po. Ano, dami mabibili. Pinayagan ako ni Kuya mag-text ng store nila. Dito kayo mamiling card o nakariwa. Siyempre, naka-freezer. Ayun naman mga isla. May laking pulang tilapia. Mga siyong pangsalat. Atasin. Patapot. Mga frozen.
Benefiting the people and benefiting the country. CPF started its business in the Philippines by establishing
Ayun nakakala ng store.
Through the years, we pursued our expansion of the country, going our reach to include the science.
May mga itulog.
Our mission is to lead the country's agriculture and food industry through sustainable business practices.
Fresh siya. Bili na kayo dito sa Fresh siya. Nalili kami na friend ko, si Tita Wela. Dito pa nakainan. Ito yung ano, ang pinakainan. Saka na, ito may tayo naman. Yung mga product nila, niluluto. Father.
We strive on sourcing sustainable raw materials that come from responsible sources in terms of environment and labor costs.
Ay, sige ko. Nag-open ang door. Ay, Dominic Benedict. Benedict, magkay ka naman sa vlog ko. Bayahin si Benedict. Dito, mamili kayo dito. May discount sa mga senior. Ang vlog. Puro medium to na po. Puro medium size. Wala yata silang extra large. Nandun palang extra large. Ayun ang extra large. Large.
Farming has been an achievement of CPF Philippines, with a recognition of agro and aquaculture as its main objective when
Prito.
delivering savings
Talagang
to its
fresh. Kasi press ng brand. Araw. Kaya ang grand factor ko. Ayun ang super fresh. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone.
based on international standards.
Good morning everyone.
This ensures strong standards the danger to a flock of drones are not invasive, and epidemics caused by birds and insects are